How to request money with PayPal. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I was discussing about how to request your money with PayPal. So first thing, just open up your PayPal application. So once you open up your PayPal application, make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now simply tap on this request button from over here. So once you tap on request, you can actually head over to your search bar and simply search in for the name of or username or email or mobile number of that particular person from whom you want to request the money from. So once you select that person, just tap on that particular person and click on search. And you should be heading over to this screen where you can easily enter the amount you would like to request from that person. And see, you can also even add a message by simply tapping on this add a message button over here to actually provide them a specific message and click on next. And once you do all of that, your request will be reviewed by the user to whom you request for, and just click on request now to send it. And just remember that when requesting for money for goods or services, you may be charged a small fee according to the PayPal, but receiving money from friends and family is generally free. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.